Hey everybody, Tony Lucero, and I'm going to share with you an exciting training on the power and why you should be a diamond. We get this all the time. When should I upgrade? Should I upgrade? I'm going to give you a couple reasons. I'm going to give you 4, 5, 6, who knows? I'm going to give you a bunch of reasons on why you should. When we got started a few months ago, one of the things that we realized that is we have to show this product. We have to show this product. And then when people join our team, people always ask us, what did you do? So the number one reason why, or one of the reasons why, is because people do what you do, not what you say. So when they buy a device, they're using it, and then they decide to maybe participate, as far as becoming a distributor, they're going to ask you, hey, Tony, what did you do? And all you got to do is be able to tell them something. Now, when we first got the device, we bought the Classic because we wanted to see it, but very shortly after, like within a day or so, I'm like, oh my gosh, I've got to get this product out, right? So number one, people are going to do what you do, not what you say. And number two is people need to have product on hand. This is one of those rare opportunities and rare products where people need to see this product. And the great thing about this, because we share because we care, well, if you only got one device, it's going to be very difficult to share with others as well as using for you and your family. So it's very important that you have more product in the diamond package. You can get 10 wands or a combination of a few of the classics, maybe a premium, or maybe you just buy a pro. It doesn't matter. But the important thing is you want to have product for the people. The people want to see this. And it's not uncommon to have 2 or 3 devices that I have as my demo devices. Like I always have 3 or 4 devices that I'm always loaning out, picking up, loaning out, picking up. And the beautiful thing is when I loan them out, people buy them. So, and they're buying something that's brand spanking new. So I give them a new device anyway. But that's usually the best thing. People want to have product, they want to try. So you want, number two is you want to have product for people to try. So that we share, we want to make sure not we're just sharing one, we're sharing a bunch of them that we have. The other thing too is with that sharing, you can recoup your investment back your very first week in the doing this. So the very first week you upgrade or the very first week in the business, you can recoup your investment by having what we call a wand party. Now these wand parties or wand gatherings or whatever you want to call it is you're going to invite some people over and you're going to talk about the device. You have snacks and fun things like that, but then you'll also demo the device. So here's how it kind of works. Let's say I'm brand spanking new and I just joined on a Tuesday and I haven't got my devices yet. Maybe I've got one of them. Wait for my order. But while I'm waiting, I'm using maybe a device in the process, but I'm inviting people to my grand opening. I'm inviting people to my wand party that's maybe in 6 days, 5 days, something like that. Give yourself some time to plan for it. So you plan your wand party, and literally what you're doing is you're sending people a tool. You're asking the multi-million-dollar question which is, have you heard of terahertz frequency? Are you using it yet? They're all going to say no. You're going to send them to a tool. If you have a marketing site, great, send them to your marketing site. And they see information. And after they see the information, if they show up to your party, they're interested. They're going to buy, right? They're going to want to purchase the device. So we invite them to the wand party. The wand parties are great because if you had, you spend a whole week planning that very first wand party or your second one or third, doesn't matter. But let's say that whole week you plan for your Tuesday night wand party and you have 15 people that show up. Now your product arrives, you've got 10 wands, you have your party, and 13, 14, 15 people are going to want to buy a wand, and you're completely out of inventory. That's a good thing. And so the wand parties, you can move through inventory very, very fast. You can recoup your investment very fast. But the important thing is now you have all these amazing devices out amongst your friends, and there's a very good chance that they might want to do a wand party as well. So we want to ask them after a couple of days, hey, Steve, hey, Mary, how's your wand going? Oh, it's going great. Hey, we should have a party at your house. More times than not, probably 85% of the time, people will say, yes, let's have a wand party at my house. This is how we get these devices in every home in America. This is how your product moves quickly. And this is how you recoup your investment back in 1 week, guys. I love this model. Please, please, please give it a shot because it does work, and very, very excited about that. The other thing, too, is the speed of number three would be is the speed of your business is going to grow very, very fast because now you have all these devices. You're doing a party every week. And by the way, you should be doing a wand party or a wand gathering every single week. If you're even part-time, you should be doing it. And you do these parties, you guys have tens, hundreds eventually of these devices out into your neighborhood, out in your marketplace. You guys, this is a good thing. The speed, number three, the speed of your business is going to grow. The speed of the testimonials, the speed of the people getting well and getting results, you guys, is going to be so much more faster when you have all these wands out in the marketplace. Okay, so that's number four. Another one, number four is, you guys, comp plan. The comp plan, you max out the comp plan when you become a diamond. You have the highest commission within the company at that level. So you want to get there as quickly as you possibly can. Okay. So the quicker you get there, the more opportunity you have as your team grows, as these wands are being distributed all over the country, all over the world, even. You're getting a percentage of that. And you want to have the maximum percentage when you're doing this. Okay. So those are just a few of the reasons why you should become a diamond. You guys, you want to have product. People want to feel it. They want to try it. They want to experience it. And I don't want you to hang on to your one device that you have. It's very difficult to build something when you have one device because that's yours and you're not going to want to give that one away. So we make sure you have multiple products. Maybe have an ion shield, maybe you have the premium, whatever, mix and match, but have product so that when you have a party, people go, wow, I want to try that. Show me that, show me that, show me that. And again, get more customers, you have to be the best customer. Make sure you have all of our products. So when somebody asks you about the ion shield, or somebody asks you about the bio, somebody asks you about the pros difference, the premium, you guys, at some point you want to have all of the inventory so you can be knowledgeable and share it with people. Because if they don't see it, if you don't talk about it, they don't know it exists. So number one, become a diamond, upgrade, 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 have product, have tools, go out there and have parties, go out there and share because we care, maximize the comp plan, and have fun while you're doing this, okay? Have fun while you're going out there enriching people's lives. Go diamond. I know you are one.